So I'm currently playing Burger Time, and I can't really relate it to any game that I've ever played as of late, but I would say the closest game it comes to is probably the old Mario, like old Mario Donkey Kong mostly. So for me, that's the closest it comes to that. It's a little difficult, a little bit. You have to just trying to figure out the directions 'cause I'm not used to doing it on a computer. It's kind of hard. I mean, it's not a bad game. It's just hard to get everything correctly. Keep getting stuck on this part. It's one of those 2D pixel games. So it's more one of those like you kind of have to know where the enemy is going to strategize where to drop. Dang it. Yeah, but most definitely it's like the same as the old Mario Donkey Kong. We have to climb ladders. So if you're avoiding enemies. Can't seem to get past the first level though. I'm not sure if your goal is to get all the buns. I'm not too sure what the primary goal is though. I'm kind of just trying to not die. But I'm thinking you have to get like each condiment down the ladder. sometimes I just miss the ladder completely, and it kind of makes it hard to really enjoy the game.